Hi guys, welcome to Silver Lake Honey Channel. Today we're going to talk about propolis. What is propolis? How bees collected from plants and tree resins, and how we collect it from the beehives, and also how we use it to make propolis tincture, to make throat sprays, different creams and stuff. So today we're going to talk about propolis tincture. Propolis is derived from the Greek language, in which stands for pro stands for at the gates or at the entrance, and polis is the city or community. So it's a natural product that defends the gates. So another name that we beekeepers use is bee glue. Due to its waxy nature and mechanical properties, bees use propolis in the construction and repair of their hives. Bees seal their openings and cracks, smoothing out the internal walls, and use propolis as protective barrier against invaders like snakes, lizards, mice, and stuff like that. So they put it on top of and between the frames and boxes, and usually scrape. Whenever we do hive inspections, we scrape the top of the hives and sides of the boxes and save this raw form of propolis. So then we dry it and then grind it into a fine powder. So the way we make tincture is we use 75.5% alcohol or 151 proof. So you need to get 70 or higher percent of alcohol. We use 65% and 35% of propolis fine powder. You can use 80-20, 70-30, any mixture, but most people use 70-30, 70% alcohol to 30% of propolis. We use 65 to 35. So for this batch, I'm gonna do 500 grams of alcohol, and we're gonna use 175 grams of propolis powder. After I put 500 grams of alcohol and 175 grams of propolis powder, I put it in a dark space and I shake it whenever I come by it, like 3, 4, 5 times a day. I would flip and just shake it like making a cocktail. And I shake it every day 5 to 6 times for 2 weeks. After that, we get this very dark concentration of propolis. Usually you'll see this light brown, but ours is very dark because it's high concentrate of propolis. So after 2 weeks, we shake it every day. We will get this, and then we strain the clear propolis through a strainer or gauze or t-shirt or something like that. You can also use like a coffee filter. Because we're using powder to start our batch, all we are left with is the powder in the bottom of the bottle. So after we strain it, put it in the fridge for an additional week, and so everything, like if there's any particles, will settle all the way in the bottom. And then we put it in our bottle to fill it. The reason why we put in this bottle is easier to fill the little containers. It's ready to be filled. A little container. And there it is. Final product. You just put your label on, and that's how you get propolis tincture. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for future videos. Really appreciate it. Thank you.